Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to exchange Vanguard coins in Mobile Legends. Bang Bang. Vanguard coins are a special in-game currency that players can earn by participating in various events and completing specific tasks. These valuable coins allow you to acquire exclusive items, hero fragments, and other exciting rewards, significantly enhancing your gameplay experience. Understanding their purpose is the first step to effectively utilizing them within the game. Earning Vanguard coins is straightforward if you know where to look. Many daily and weekly events within Mobile Legends, Bang Bang provide these coins as rewards. Be sure to complete your daily quests and participate in special limited-time events, as these are often the most generous sources. Always keep an eye on the in-game event tab to discover new opportunities and maximize your coin collection efforts. Once you have accumulated a good number of Vanguard coins, it is time to exchange them. Navigate to the in-game shop or the event exchange interface. There, you will find a dedicated section for Vanguard coin redemption. You can typically exchange your coins for valuable items such as hero fragments, skin fragments, and various emblems, which are crucial for character progression. Remember, the shop's offerings refresh regularly. To get the most out of your Vanguard coins, strategic exchange is key. Always prioritize items that offer a significant boost to your heroes or provide exclusive content. It is often wise to save your coins for limited-time offers, as these frequently present the best value. Regularly check the exchange shop for new arrivals and avoid spending your hard-earned coins on common items that can be acquired through other means.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.